We will see that. And in the near future, we will see the new things and new designing on the world. And I have today four subject for you, and you will see that the first is the technology hope for the future. And I want to start with Jaron Lanier. Maybe you know to him. He's a composer of the classic music, and he's also is a computer science. He said the most important thing about the technology is how it changed the people. And you know that science, technology, and the future is a very close relation. We have some global risk on the earth, on our world, and a lot of thema affected in this risk, especially is economic, environmental, and geopolitical, societal, and technological. And now we see that the United Nations has got a lot of goals to transform our world in the 2030, and especially the number 30 is not poverty. And you see that the other subject, and in the 8 and 9 is related to economy and industrial revolutions. And a lot of subject is related climate crisis and environmental crisis. And we need too much. Also is a peaceful and more justice. This is too important for the world peoples. And we have a difficult areas about the world population is rising and rising in every year. This is too normal maybe, but we need more sources and we need more solutions for these people. And the other side, all over the world, cities are becoming ever taller, ever bigger. But we have one solution. We have ever more architecturally innovative. And we will use too much the architecture and technology together in the next stage. And another big problem is that climate crisis is always rising. We will see that the different climate effects on the different time. And another problem, our population using too much energy, using the fossil fuels still. And we have a lot of air pollution in a lot of city. It's not related, they are different culture, but they are same problems. If you live too much, using a lot of sources, if you don't have any limits, you can live in problems like these cities. And we have any hope, only we have about the technology. If you find good solutions on the renewable energy and in the new energy sources, sustainable sources, we will solve this problem. But nowadays, our problems, you will see that we are still using fossil fuels too much. And I hope we will change. We are at the crossroads. Our choices are too important for common future. We need a massive change in our behavior and thinking. We can succeed using technology for more useful. My hope is technology, I said, because everybody has got a smartphone in the pocket, and this phone functions too much. And when you want to this technology, nearly 30 years ago, this price is nearly $1 million. And now we have this technology only $1,000 in my pocket. This is a great hope for the energy and our next common future. We will solve the technology for our problems instantly. And the other table, we will see that our most valuable brands are significantly, the areas is the technological. First is Apple, and second is Google, and Microsoft, IBM, Samsung, and Amazon is the more popular technological companies. And I said, technology is more effective, creativity and culture, and we will see that digital technology will be a big actor and on our new areas, especially about the art and new society, because we use nowadays too much to social activities and social places on the internet to using to communicate with our friends, our family members. And another effect, the impact of the culture, the impact of the culture in the development of new products and services, driving technological innovation. And we will see that the art and culture is often the basis on which social networking takes place. And especially you can easily listen to old music on the internet. And you can visit important museums, visual studios using some equipment, and you can view some museums and virtually. And we use these technologies make a good organization or good presentation. Then the culture-based creativity, cultural productions as a communication tools charged with the subjectivity and emotion. And culture-based creativity plays a key role in the generating social innovation. And the last, the cultural productions as a communication tools charged with subjectivity and emotion. The cultural-based creativity plays a key role in generating a social innovation also. From science, one expects discoveries. From the technology, one expects progress. For creativity, the outcome may not be as apparently useful or productivity, but creativity is a main part of innovation and supports innovations. There cannot be innovation without creativity. Creativity is thinking up new things. Innovation is doing new things. Yeah, be creative. And you can see that the relation of the scientific innovations, cultural creativity, and economical and social innovations. The center of the technological innovation is these subjects. Yes, global culture is too important. The technologies, there's a great effect to occur in the global culture. The fast development of digital technology transforms the global culture sphere. And it's a good idea. The Manuel Castells, digital technology has set free two opposing progress taking place at the same time. Ready for your dreams. We can use technology for a better life. The beginning of a new era. In the 21st century, the globalized economic market requires the technological innovation to increase the productivity. This is very important. And we have read 10 subjects in this last year. We saw a lot of subjects on these areas. The nanosensors, nano things, and next generation batteries. This is the two important subjects because if you want to use technology too much, you need a more battery, and you have to new design or you have to new technology on the battery subjects. And the other third one is the Bitcoin. Maybe you know is a new economic designing plans. It's a virtual money. It is a virtual money. And for 3D materials, maybe you know, is about the graphene. Graphene is a too important material for the electronics. And the 5 is the autonomous vehicles. Nowadays, maybe we will leave this technology to close time. We will see that in somewhere. You can see that the cloud and cosmetic service is more popular, and the second one is the mobile solutions, and third one, in very important things, Internet of Things is a new era's important member. And you can see the other subject, a new energy source and solution is also too important. Okay. And you can see that the new life designing with the technologies. We have nowadays we complete the 2 sections, but we will see that other sections maybe next time, maybe not too far. And Klaus Schwab said that, you know, he is a manager of the World Economic Forums, and he said that in the new world, it is not the big fish which eats the small fish, it's the fast fish which eats the slow fish. We understood that we have to change more quickly. And we have some trends, grand trends, industrial trends, and technological trends.